Hello, you are welcome. As I told you earlier on, my name is Professor Wilbert A. Remember yesterday we talked about on how you can start an online business step by step. So today I'm going to show you on how you can create a Google account or a Gmail account that will guide you in creating a YouTube channel which you will use as your online business step by step. Then for you to create a Google account or a Gmail account, you need to have internet on your smartphone or a computer, let's say a laptop or desktop, and then you look for any browser. You may use a window browser, you may use a Google Chrome, you may use a Safari or Firefox Mozilla. For example, me, I'm using Windows 7, so I have Edge. Microsoft Edge is one that I'm going to use, or that is my default browser. So you are now going to create a Google account step by step. And I say Gmail and then say enter, and then I'll look for sign up. We are now going to sign up to Google account. Here it is. Google is asking me to create your Google account. I have continued to Google or to Gmail. I will have first name. My first name is Tumukunde. Tumukunde Abat. My last name. You input your last name, and then you create a username of your Google email. I may say Tumukunde Abat. Tumukunde Abat 2 at gmail.com, and then here it will ask me to create a password. As you can see, it is saying that use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Yeah, I may create my password. You create the password that you know that nobody will trace. Take an example, like mine. You won't be able to see it because it is a personal password or personal account. So you create your password that is individual, and then after you click next. So there you wait for a few seconds as it is creating your password, and then here it will ask you to verify your phone number so that it can confirm or create for you your Google mail. Take an example. Me, I will input my number. So as you can see, this is it, and then I say next. Then from there it will ask me to input the code that Google has sent to my phone. There you input your code that Google has sent you. Is composed of 6 digits. You input a code that Google has sent to your phone number. This is for authentication, so that nobody will use your email without your authority. It will first ask him or her to verify, and there it may ask you a recovery email. If you have one, you can input. If you have your father's, mother's, or your friend's mail, you can also input for recovery. In case you lose your phone, this mail or recovery email will help you to recover your email. You can remember this email, you are going to be using it as a business email, which will help you create a YouTube channel and other Google preferences platforms. So it will ask you date of birth. You put your date of birth, and then date of birth, month, you put, and when you were born, you also input. And there it will ask you to put your gender. You ask whether you're a female, male, or rather not say, or custom. You choose one that you belong to and say next. It will ask you some simple questions like get more from your number, as in you receive video calls and messages, make Google services including ads more relevant to you. Then here there are many options that you may go to. If you don't want to go to right now, you say yes, I am in. Here it will ask you to read the privacy and terms. Data that we process when you use Google, you will read through. Then here why we process it, continue, and combining data, you are now in control. If you agree terms and conditions, say yes, I agree, and there it will start creating your Google permanently. You wait for some few minutes while it is creating your Google account, and this is the one that will be helping you in running all online businesses. Here we are in, you load as basic HTML, if you don't mind. As here you can see, it is telling me that Google Meet now in Gmail. As you can see, Google has sent me a message, as in it reads Google Community TE that Mukunde finish setting up your Google new account. Hey, if you can open and read it, it reads like, hey Tumukunde, welcome to Google. Your new account welcomes with access to Google products, apps, and services. Here are a few steps to get you started. Want to start in the room? Keep me updated. You can still say update me. Then we have get a lighter faster way to search. We have got also get Google Go. We have also more apps from Google. If you want to confirm, you can confirm. If you want to confirm later still, you can confirm later. If you can come on this your right hand side still, we have a lot of options that Google come with. We have Google Search, we have Maps, we have YouTube, we have Google Play, we have News, we have Gmail. This one we are in. We have meeting. You can create meetings with Google or meet with people that you do business with. Then we have chats. You can chat as well. You can still have contacts. You can save your contacts in Google. Then we have Google Drive. We have calendars, we have translate. You can also translate languages from different language to another. We have photos, we have video for videos, then we have Chrome. With Google, still we have documents, we have sheets and slides. You can create forms, you can create sheets, you can create slides for your presentations. You can also, we have books, we have bloggers, you can hang out, we have hangouts. Then we have Keep, we have Jamboard, we have Classroom, we have this is a browser, you can also use it. We have corrections, ads and corrections. We have Google AdSense. This one helps most of the time when you want to run or to advertise with different companies. Let's say in some of your platforms, let's say Facebook pages, YouTube. We have websites. If you have a website or a YouTube channel or a Facebook page that you run on a businesses, you can still advertise with Google Ads. We have podcasts. We have also Google One. You can create forms using Google, and travels. You can also travel. There are also more from Google. You can click on more and see a lot of products from Google company. You can see there are so many products that Google do come with. So as you can really see, we had stock from Google Photos, Google Play, Google Play Books. We have Google Play Games. We have Google Play Movies and TVs. We have Google Shopping. We can still shop online. We shop from Google. We have Google Store. We have Google Street Views. Street View, I mean. We have Google TV. We looked at Hangouts. We have Maps. We already looked at it. We have Play Project. There are lots of Google products. We have YouTube. This is more important in Google most of the time. It's the one that people use to run their business, or if you have recording videos, or you can go live and record these videos. We have YouTube Kids. This is for kids. If you create videos for kids, or some of the contents that are for kids, you can use YouTube Kids. Then we have YouTube Music. This is for music. Then we have also YouTube TV. So you choose the one that will suit your business. I may recommend you to go to YouTube. If I right click on my computer and then opening a new tab, if you have an app of YouTube, you can use it. But if you don't have an app, you can still use a YouTube from a browser. This is it. This is YouTube. So I'm now going to show you on how you can create a YouTube account by the help of your Gmail account. As I really showed you some of the products that are from Gmail, or that Google do come with the moment you sign up to Google. So after you have signed up to Google account, it's your account that will help you or guide you, or will take you onto this business of Google or YouTube. So thank you very much for watching and creating a Gmail account. I'll come in the next video and show you on how you can create and run or upload your first video to YouTube in order to earn money for your family and lifestyle. So we are now done with our email. As you can see, if you come to email, you have normal names. You can click more. See, have all names. So everything is done here on your left hand side. You have inbox, you have chat, you have said drafts list, important chats, you have saved all mail, you have spam and others. So you may click uh, on your profile here. If you want to sign out still, you can sign out your mail. That's it. Thank you for watching. Meet me in another video where I'll be showing you on how to create a YouTube channel step by step. Thank you.